So what do you think about Dad's new car? Do you like it?
Yes.
Yeah? It's nice?
Yes.
Oh, thank you.
Okay.
Alright guys. So a couple of days ago, I went to go pick up a new daily to replace the V6 A4. If you guys can see there. Don't want to show you guys yet, but it's right there. So before I get this video started, we just want to say
Subscribe to the channel.
subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So I was actually not in the market to replace my daily, the B6 A4, because I really do like the B6 A4. But I came across this this car and it was just such a good deal to a point where I couldn't pass up on this deal and decided to buy it anyways. But I did want to replace the B6 A4 with this specific car, so I guess earlier than I had anticipated, because I was actually in the market to replace the CC and or the Q5, and I only have couple of specific cars that I want to replace those two, and at this time the current prices that I found on some are just a little too high, or the specific specs that I want and color that I want are not coming up. So it's taking me a little bit longer to find the replacements for those. So I guess finding a replacement for those would just have to wait a little bit longer until I can find a good deal and the specific specs and color that I want for those replacements. Anyways, the new car that I bought that is going to replace the B6 A4, I've had one before, so I am no stranger to this platform. But enough of me talking, let's get to seeing the new car. What are you doing?
I'm playing this.
Oh, what is that? Bubble maker?
Yes.
Okay, show me. Wow, that's cool.
So many.
Yeah.
Whoa! What? Whoa!
And there it is, guys, a B8 S4 and Phantom Black Pearl. I personally think that this is one of the best lady driver car, just because it's quick, fun, luxurious, and smooth driving. So this one here is a 2010 Prestige model Audi S4 that's completely bone stock. Drove 2 hours to pick it up, and like I said, it was a pretty good deal considering what the market are now going for these manual transmission S4. Mileage is pretty decent too, and I'm pretty excited to get this build going. So my previous B8 S4 was a 2011 Premium Plus model, also a manual transmission. It was in the color of meteor gray. It wasn't a bad color, but I wasn't really a big fan of it, which was one of the reasons why I decided to sell it. And plus, I wanted a B7 RS4, and you know that's not going to go anywhere. I really like the neutral colors of either black, gray, if it's like gray, not like the meteor gray one that I had, or white. And black is actually either black or white is actually on the top of my list. So let me give you guys a closer look at the car. The car's kind of dirty, but can you guys see all of that flake inside the paint? the paint with that phantom black pearl. Check on the inside. Of course, have to be manual transmission, dual material seat, suede inserts, and leather outers. Still a really nice car for its age. I have not touched it ever since I brought it home too, so it's kind of dirty, hasn't been really cleaned out, but I freaking love this car and I really miss my old one. The driving experience, just not the color, and I do miss the way that I modded my old one too, so it's going to be a similar I'm going to do a similar build, but just with a little bit different taste. So now that I have this on hand as a daily driver, the B6 is going to go under the knife, and it's going to get most of its parts removed and replaced with the stock parts, and it's going to be put up for sale. So if any of you guys are interested, you guys can hit me up on IG if you guys are interested. The car will definitely not come on the rotor wheels. It'll probably come on these peelers actually. If not, then just its stock 17-inch 5-spoke wheels that I have sitting in the back. So let me know what you guys think about the new B8 S4, but not new to me, daily driver. I really like the B6 A4 because it's one of my favorite body style, but it's just a little bit too slow for me, and it doesn't have certain features that I would like that the B8 S4 has to offer. Alright guys, so that's going to end this video here. Make sure you guys stay tuned for all of the videos to come for the B8 S4 and the B7 RS4. In my last video, if you guys watched it, like I said, I bought a whole bunch of stuff for the B7 RS4, and those parts actually just came in recently. You guys can see it right there, all the boxes right there. So a whole bunch of videos for the B7 RS4 are going to be coming out too. So if you guys aren't subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel to stay updated on all of the new videos that I post. Anyways, I just want to say thank you guys for watching the videos, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to help support my channel, comment any sort of feedback to help my channel grow, and like this video if you guys like the new B8 S4 as my daily driver. Thanks guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Ooh, y'all should check this out. Bam, shrimp, cilantro, tomatoes, tacos. Ha, y'all know what's going down. And then to finish the day off, we got some strawberry ice cream bars. Hella bomb. If you guys haven't tried it, man, go get you guys some. Super bomb. Hey, what are you doing?
I'm watching.
Watching?
Huh?